Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the save coupon insert for February 6th, 2022. I get these in my mailbox. They are not in the newspapers in my area. That's just what my region does. Coupon amounts and even the actual coupons can vary per region. So make sure you're checking your own inserts and don't just rely on what I say. $1.25 on the men's deodorants and $1.25 on the women's. Lots of good coupons this week for sure. $2 Tylenol PM, Motrin PM, or Simply Sleep. Maybelline, $3 New York Instant Age Rewind Foundation or Concealer, very specific. $2 on any Maybelline New York mascara. It's really great. My coupon inserts used to be really thin. No Maybelline, no Revlon, no Almay, no Garnier, and they came back, so that's exciting. Hopefully they didn't take them from someone else's area and give them to me, but I don't know. We'll just see. $2 on Maybelline Lip, excludes baby lips, so keep that in mind. I have heard people say that it excludes it, but it still works, so you do what you want there. 5 on 2 the color, 4 off of 2 on the Elvive hair care. Garnier, 4 off of 2. And $2 on 1 Garnier Skin Active. Buy 4, get 2 free. I don't like those things. $1 off of 1. I just don't think that they work very well. They smell for like 2 days. Nexium, 5 off of 1 or 2 off of 1. $1.50 Aquafresh, 75 cents Aquafresh. These are twin or triple packs. CeraVe coupons, $3 on 1, $3 on the Healing, and $4 on Baby. I have so much lotion, but my hands look like an old woman. It's ridiculous. My stockpile is packed with lotion, but do I remember to use it? Nature's Bounty, $1 off of 1, $4 on the Sleep, $3 on Jelly Bean Vitamin, $2 on a vitamin or supplement. Here's $4 on the Brain Superfood, Osteobiflex, $5, or the $5 on the Ease. Pat-A-Day is $5. Persil, I love Persil, $2 on the liquid or the smaller packs, or $3 on the large ones. Schwarzkopf, $3 on hair color, or $7 on 2. Do you guys remember we used to get that Got To Be hair care stuff all the time? I feel like it was like once a month we were getting like free Got To Be hairstylers. Okay guys, I'm getting stuck here for some reason. There we go. $1 on Right Guard, $1.50 on Right Guard Extreme, $1 on 1 Dial, and these are a limit of 1. $1 on 2 of the Dial hand soaps. Dental Life, $2 on the treats, 2 of them, or $1 on 2 of the smaller ounce treats. Land O'Lakes eggs, 50 cents. I usually don't get to use these coupons because the eggs are so expensive. All right, the next 2 pages are just Family Dollar ads. We're just gonna scan back a little bit. All right, Grainberry, if you like that, 75 cents off of 1. It kind of looks gross to me. Red Hot Sauce, $1 on 2. Look at these nice Revlon coupons. $4 on face, $3 on lip, $2 on eye, $1 on nail polish. $1 off of 2 Revlon hair care or hair color. $3 on this absorbing roller. $2 on a face tool, or $1 on an eye tool. Alrighty. Almost done. $2 on Magna Life there. And some cold medicines up here. $2 Theraflu, $2 Robitussin, $2 Advil. And that's it, guys. So lots of really good coupons. I would definitely recommend getting this insert. We might even be getting Smart Source. I'm not sure. But if you buy newspapers, it's a good week. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.